All right, we're getting closer to race day. About a little over 2 weeks left. We got Caleb's graphics in a couple nights ago, so today we're going to put that on this guy. Got the body all prepped, ready to go. We're going to do a little time lapse so you guys can see what it looks like. I think that might be kind of cool. Never did time lapse before, so we'll see how it goes. Victory Sign out of Wisconsin did this thing, came up with an awesome design, looks really cool. Let us know what you think. Thanks. All right, so we finished the wrap on Caleb's race rig. Came out pretty good. I like the colors, really like the look of it. Basically what you've got is the Bell's Offroad logo on the hood. And you come up to the top here, it says Bell, and then number 43, which is his number. And then a giant big number 43 right on the hood there. Off over here on the side, we got again another Bell's Offroad logo. Now underneath this logo, there's going to be 3 more logos. One's going to be Caribbean Pools, All Seasons Landscaping, and then Custom Cut Contractors. Those companies are helping us out. And then in the back, we've got then another number plate with Caleb Bell underneath it. So we've got a couple more, in addition to those 3 logos that I mentioned that will go on this. We've got to put a number plate in the back. Up here on the front, in these spots here, we're going to put what are called contingency logos. And basically what those are is when you race these series there's certain companies that if you podium, which means you're first, second, or third in the finish results, you'll get money or you get product or you get discount off product. So we're going to find out which ones those are and get stickers for each of those and then put those on the front in the event that he gets on the podium. Then one more logo will be over here. You have to put the Champ Off-Road logo on there. Well, other than that, we're going to try to keep it pretty clean. We don't want to get it too crazy there. We hope you like it. If you do, please comment below. Then also with the liking and subscribing thing that you see on YouTube, guys, that really does help us out. If you can take a moment to log into your YouTube account and just subscribe to us, even if you don't watch the videos, just subscribe. What that does is later on, in additional classes that he would race into, this class is manageable, but when you get into other ones, they get pretty expensive, and that YouTube is going to be our avenue to showcase the team and Caleb's skills in the event that hopefully they might want to help us out with some sponsorship or donations. So that's our number one avenue that we're using to try to present to them. Surely that won't be for a while, but you got to get a backlog of videos and stuff so that you've got something to present to them. So I hope you guys take the time to do that. It only takes a couple minutes, and then as we go through this whole process, might be kind of cool. We're gonna make some neat videos. We're gonna have like Braden cam, or each of the videos it's gonna have Braden's little whatever Braden wants, on each of the videos. So that would be really cool. So if you subscribe, you'll get notifications when those are happening. So I hope you like our videos, and we look forward to you next time.